Hey you guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this super cute Paint by Line 'Tis the Seasoning cutout. I am going in first with the color Pine Cone. Now I'm going in with color Apricot to paint my shrimp. And then I will go in with the color Colonel Mustard for my corn. All the colors I'm using, of course, are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase along with the paint that I'm using, the brushes that I'm using, and the cutout on our website, buildacross.com. And I use the color Putty for my pot. And then once I'm done with that, I'll just let everything dry and then go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. And then I'm also going to use a Sharpie brushstroke marker to go in and fill in my lettering. You could go in and paint this if you wanted to, but I kind of like just the black standing off of this gray color. And then once I'm done with that, I'll go in with the number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And I will highlight everything, just following the natural curves of my painting, including my lettering. Just kind of brightens and softens everything up, so this is one of my favorite steps. And then after that, I am done. I hope you guys, as always, really enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.